Okay, so we're here with Abertown manager Matthew Bishop after an 89th minute winner against Newtown on Boxing Day. Doesn't get much better than that, Matthew.
Well, I suppose that's a nice way to do it, isn't it? And doesn't give them time to get back in the game. I think probably on the run of play today, we probably deserved that. We created a lot and we got a lot of ball into the box, but didn't really have that finishing touch. And it was lovely at the end. I think Luke Borelli's had a couple, particularly in the second half, where he could have slotted in and changed the game for us. But now it was a great move. Cost us down the left hand side, and a great ball back to Curtis Marsh, and obviously he finished it off, and delighted with the 3 points.
Yeah, and I suppose you would say in a game like that the win was earned on a big defensive solidity.
Yeah, I think Sam's come back into the team, and we know we're delighted that Ricky's come back after his the sad death of his mother, and we've been with him over the last few weeks and helping him through the tough time he's been through. And credit to him today, I thought he was exceptional today, and Sam's come back into the team, and the back four looked like a rock, really, against a very good front line from Newtown. So, I'm delighted. Clean sheet, 3 points, massive 3 points for us, but it doesn't really mean anything unless we go on next weekend and pick some points up.
Yeah, and there was a big crowd here today. There were almost 500 people again at Park Avenue.
Good. I'm pleased. I'm pleased they've gone home happy. I think it probably would have been a disappointing day, I think, if we'd gone home with just a point. And I suppose there's a good way to do it, isn't it, just towards the end of the game. But I think I'm more delighted with the fact that we've got the 3 points and the clean sheet. So, 3 games to go. Got to keep believing, and we'll see where we end up.
Yeah, and I think Marchie's celebration, I think he climbed up into the stand, didn't he? And that sort of showed what it meant to him and the boys, I suppose, having worked so hard.
Listen, they're desperate. They're absolutely desperate to get into that top 6. After you said the journey that we've been on since the start of the season, and they know we've let ourselves down in a couple of games. We could have done better, but we are where we are, and I'm just delighted today that again the group have found a way.
Yeah, and I suppose we're waiting on a few other results now. We started early today, but there's a few other results to come in yet. But I suppose you would say, as managers do, it's all about us.
And it has been, it's in our hands. If we get the results that we want, then we'll be in there. And it's down to the players, and I said that before to the players. No one else can do it except them. It doesn't matter what we do in terms of training and set them up. They've got to go over that white line and deliver. And I'm pleased today that they've done that. And but we know we've got another tough game next Saturday. They'll want to make sure that we don't do that again at their place. So it's important for us now to get ready and back in training Wednesday. And we'll hopefully move on and maybe get some more points at the weekend.
Brilliant. Thanks very much, Matthew. All the best.
Thanks.